When your Navien Tankless water heater stops producing hot water, the problem usually lies with two key components: the flow sensor and the filters. The flow sensor is a critical component that detects when water is flowing through the system and signals the burner to ignite. When it fails, your unit won't know to start heating the water. The water inlet filter prevents debris from entering your system. When this filter becomes clogged with sediment or mineral deposits, it restricts water flow and can prevent proper operation. Start your diagnosis by checking the most basic issue. Ensure your main water valve is fully open. This simple step can save you time if the valve was accidentally turned off or partially closed. Next, locate and inspect the water inlet filter. This filter is typically found near the water inlet connection. Remove it carefully and examine it for clogs, sediment, or debris buildup. Clean the filter under running water using a soft brush to remove any debris. Be gentle to avoid damaging the filter mesh. Also, check and clean the air intake filter, usually located on the top or front of the unit. Here's a key diagnostic clue. If you're getting cold water from sinks and faucets, but hot water from bathtubs, this pattern often indicates a failing flow sensor. The higher flow rate from bathtubs can trigger the sensor, while lower flow rates from sinks cannot. These initial diagnostic steps will help you identify whether the issue is with basic water supply, clogged filters, or a more complex flow sensor problem. Proper diagnosis saves time and helps determine if you need professional service. When cleaning filters doesn't restore hot water flow, the issue is likely with the flow sensor. This critical component detects water movement and signals the burner to ignite. Try this simple fix first. Locate the pressure relief valve near the heater outlet and open and close it several times. This action can temporarily resolve flow sensor issues by clearing minor blockages. If the pressure relief valve technique doesn't work, the flow sensor may need cleaning or replacement. Older sensors often corrode over time, so upgrading to a corrosion-free stainless steel version provides a long-term solution. Mineral deposits can interfere with flow sensors and overall performance. Descaling involves flushing the system with vinegar to remove these deposits. This maintenance should be performed regularly. Navien units display error codes to help diagnose problems. Error code E004, for example, often indicates false flame detection, which can be related to flow sensor issues or blocked venting systems. If problems persist after these troubleshooting steps, contact a certified technician. Incorrect repairs can void your warranty. Regular maintenance, including filter cleaning and descaling, is crucial for preventing issues and extending your heater's lifespan.